Watch me make some lentil soup today. Lentil. Anyways, some soup. To make this soup, you would need some fresh chopped carrots. Make sure they're mashed. And some onion, which I already chopped the onions up. Just washed it. So this is what it's looking like. It's a lot of onions. Um, you do want a turmeric because we're gonna burn the turmeric in the oils, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So my pot is hot. I'm going to put some avocado oil inside the pot. To the oil, I'm going to add some turmeric so it could burn. Want to make sure it's burning properly in here. I'm going to add some seasoning to it. Follow with some thyme. You can add Italian season or other season to it, but this is what I'm going to work with right now. Now my turmeric is burned. I'm gonna add some onion. We're gonna mix it all in. It smells like heaven, guys. It smells so good. Look at the color. Ooh, that's hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my lentil beans. Now I'm gonna add my washed lentil to the pot. This is less than a cup. I'm not making a lot. I'm just making a small portion, a small pot for dinner and lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna let this get some of the onion. While it's being simmered, I'm gonna go in with my veggie broth, low sodium. And then I like to go in with a little more season. You can use any season of your choice. I'm just using the Slap Your Mama season. I'm gonna go in with my washed carrots at this time so they can cook. And not be hard when it's time to eat them. I'm gonna cover it, turn it down. This is how it's looking, guys. Simmer down such and such. It's been over 30 minutes, so must already know. I love to put in the beans first, and then I put the water in there. This is how it's looking, guys. Trust me, it smells better than how it looks. So now you guys learn about a different soup other than our regular Jamaican traditional soup. So there you have it, my way of making my lentil soup. Again, other people do it different, but this is the easiest, quickest way. Mm. Tell bad, bad. But yeah, now you learn about a different soup and you can try it. So this conclude this vlog. So until next time, magan.